Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this super cool thing with this heat. It is a battery operated fan, rechargeable. You can see it's dirty. That's because a construction guy wears this. The coolest thing about this is it's not like the cheaper ones. It has this awesome cooling plate. It has 3 fan levels and 3 cooling levels, so you can choose, and it comes out of here with those fans blowing, and that cooling plate relief is to be had. I'll put the link down in my description. Make sure you check it out.